Civil Regime had another drop. We were seeds. You guys spoke and said, why don't you try medium? Large is too big. It's too big. I like the fit. I like the fit of the large, but I listened. So I picked up a medium. We got the Reaper V3 American Classic Oversized Tee in Pigment Black. Let's unbox it. So this is all I got this time. Let's see how the medium fits. Boom. Medium. Nice as always. You got the tag, roses from concrete, blooming through chaos. Yep, die is very similar. We Were Seeds 2023 right here. So the difference with this one is that there's no label compared to the previous drop, but still good. Other side. I think you know what's next. Oversized, slightly above me elbows. This is my waist right here. This is my hip bone. So you can see my pockets here. Comes down. Nice. Feels nice, just like the other ones. I like it. I like the fit. I like the fit. Feels good. I like it. Good call, guys. Good call. 5'9". I'm about 150 now. Size medium. Fits great. I mean, large fits great too. I like it. This fits great as well. I mean, fits a little bit smaller, obviously, but overall, I like it. I like it. Thank you for the recommendation, you guys. This one's a short one, super fast, super quick, so you can get an idea of their sizing as well as what it looks like on someone who's 5'9" and like 145 to 150. If you like this video, check out my other Civil Regime video. I did an unboxing and a fitting of 2 large sized tees from the Rose from the Storm collection. You get an idea of what it looks like. I think they both fit great. Obviously the medium fits a little bit better, but I mean, I like them all. They're great. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.